What's up guys, Rand Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out Nomad's new base station stand wireless charger. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, check it out, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. Most of you are pretty familiar with these accessories, a wireless charger to charge your phone, and a stand to prop up your phone so it's a little bit more easier to view on your desk. What if you could combine these products? Well, that's what Nomad tried to do with their base station stand. Nomad has pumped out some pretty nice wireless charging pads over the last couple years, and new for this year is their wireless charging stand. Taking a look at what we get, the first thing that we have here is your charger, and of course the wireless charging stand itself, a high quality and durable nylon wrapped USB cable, and last but not least, for those of you travelers out there, you also have additional international outlets. So take a closer look at this wireless charging stand. You can see here it's basically like the original Nomad wireless charging station, except in a propped up position. The stand itself is made of a solid piece of metal with an anodized space gray finish. Because of that, it's a very solid, high quality stand with a bit of heft to it to ensure that your smartphone isn't going to topple it over. On the bottom, you have this large rubber bumper to ensure that your phone doesn't touch the hard metal. The charging pad has this beautiful, genuine leather material that wraps around the entire portion of the pad for your phone to cushion on. On the bottom, you have this square-shaped, fully lined rubber feet. And lastly, on the back, you also have this 18-watt USB-C charging port to connect your USB cable to. Here's a closer look at the Nomad base station stand that I have kind of set up here with my space gray setup. I do like how Nomad chose gray in my case because it matches pretty well with my other space gray accessories. One thing that I really like about the base station stand is, unlike the other Nomad wireless chargers, this one here can work off an outlet just like the other ones, but also you can plug it in via USB. So that's great for those of us who don't have an outlet nearby or have more plentiful USB ports than outlets. So here's a quick demo of the charger. Very easy to use. Grab your phone, you place it on top, and you can see here it immediately starts charging. You can also place it in a landscape mode in addition to that. And once again, it starts charging in landscape as well. I just realized there's also an LED light on the bottom here to indicate that the stand is working and charging your phone. Overall guys, definitely one of the best wireless charger stands I've reviewed so far. Love the design, very well built, works flawlessly, and should complement any desk setup. Another great spot for the Nomad wireless charging stand would have to be on your nightstand right next to your bed. Many of us, including myself, like to use our phones as alarm clocks, whether you want to set one alarm or 5 different alarms. Fact of the matter is, with your phone charging and standing up, it makes it quite a bit easier to hit that snooze button. And the same thing goes for notifications. For example, if you get a text message or Instagram story update or whatever notifications you set on your phone, you can just roll over on your bed without having to pick up your phone off your nightstand, tap the lock screen, see what the notification was. If it's worthwhile, you grab your phone. If not, just fall back to sleep. Saves you from once again lifting your phone up off your nightstand. So the wireless charging stand certainly makes a great accessory, not just for your desk setup, but also a nice charging station to have with you right next to your bed. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this stand here, there really isn't anything bad to say about it, to be honest. It's very well built, it works as advertised, and it's a nice looking stand. I can't say anything bad about the stand itself. I do kind of wish Nomad included a shorter cable as an option for those of us who want to hook it up to, say, a MacBook or an iMac, just something that doesn't require a whole lot of length of cable, as you do kind of have to do some cable management if you want to tidy up the long one that's included. But other than that, it's a very nice stand, and I do recommend this to any of you looking for a wireless charging stand combo. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Any questions or comments about the new Nomad base station stand wireless charger, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.